What if I told you that aesthetic and everything that we see in videos of content creators like Tamcore or Wizardless, all of that, that's just the surface. Now, don't get me wrong, I love those content creators. I love what they do and how they do it and everything that they're trying to teach the world. I just feel like many a times, people like you and people like me, we fail to see that what they're trying to teach us is not about living a life just like them or using fancy products or going to luxury getaways. What they're actually trying to teach us is the inner work, the self discipline, the mindset, the nervous system regulation, and everything that gets us from the person who we are right now and the version of us who's gonna get everything that we want. Hi, my name is Anvesha. I'm a second year MBBS student at MKCG Barampur. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to become the ultimate it girl, but without needing to have access to lots of money to indulge in luxury products or luxury treatments, but instead get there without burning out and science to back it up. Section 1, Identity Based Habits. Tip 1, Start with your identity and not your goals. James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, talks about how real change comes from shifting identity and not forcing behavior. The Stanford Habit Formation study found that people who tied habits to identity changes were more likely to maintain them long term, especially when habits were small and repeated consistently. So, the correct way to make your habits stick would be to follow the WHOOP principle. So, first, write down your goals. This makes you more likely to actually go and finish them. Let's say, for example, you want to work out every single day. Now, what's your objective behind wanting to work out every single day? Maybe you want to lose weight. So, our objective is to lose weight. Point 3, O for obstacle. Now, I want you to write down every obstacle that you could possibly think that you might face while trying to implement these habits. Let's say you're too lazy to wake up in the morning, you don't have anyone else to go with you, you're scared to go to the gym alone for the first time. P is to prepare, as in, how will you deal with those obstacles that will inevitably come on your path as you try to implement these habits. Now, if you write all these down, your likelihood of actually achieving your goal increases by at least 80%. Section 2, Nervous System Regulation. To be that girl, you don't need more hustle, you need more regulation. When you are burnt out, your nervous system is dysregulated. You just simply can't focus, and no amount of productivity hacks will be able to fix that. A 2021 study from the Journal of Neuroscience shows that slow, controlled breath work has a direct calming effect on the amygdala, the brain's fear center. Here are some ways in which you can regulate your nervous system. Taking cold showers or doing face plunges in ice can activate the vagus nerve, which decreases the heart rate and relieves stress. Another method you can try is the 4-4-4 breathing method, in which you breathe in for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 more seconds, and then slowly exhale for 4 seconds. Taking walks outside without any kind of stimulation, such as listening to music or podcasts, has been shown in studies to actually reduce the level of cortisol in our body, the stress hormone. Section 3, Dopamine Discipline. Let's be real. If we want to be that girl, we know she isn't scrolling on Instagram or YouTube Shorts or is on Snapchat for 3 hours straight and is comparing her life to everyone else's life. The ultimate that girl has mastered her dopamine habits. Dopamine isn't evil. It's a motivation chemical. But when we flood our brains with constant artificial dopamine through either scrolling or junk food or excess sugar intake, we reduce the sensitivity of our brain to real rewards like focus, efforts, progress. So, what do we need to do? We need to stop doom scrolling the first thing in the morning. We need to have a dopamine fast in the morning where it's a no phone time zone the first 30 minutes of the day at least. No checking emails, no opening Instagram, not opening WhatsApp definitely. We also need to practice delayed gratification. Even research shows that delayed gratification activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of our brain which is responsible for self control and long term success. Section 4. Romanticize with depth. You know what's cooler than aesthetics? Depth. Romanticizing your life isn't about making your life look like Pinterest. It's about truly feeling alive. When you're bored with life, instead of opening Instagram and going on your phone and doom scrolling for 3 hours straight, instead, call someone you love. Connection is the real glow up. Make your gratitude practice sensory. Instead of saying, I'm grateful, let's say, for this bed. No. Instead, say, I'm grateful how safe and cozy this bed makes me feel when I sleep at night. Also, focus on creating rituals, not routines. Rituals tend to stick. For example, when you're doing your skincare at night, instead of thinking, oh, this is a routine, I have to do this for my skin to be healthy and look good. No. Think of it as an expression of self love. I am doing this skincare, I'm practicing this skincare because I love myself. A person who loves themselves would take care of the skin every single night. See, this is how you're connecting this habit to your identity as well. You are someone who takes care of the skin. You're a person with self love and self respect. Section 5. True self confidence. That girl energy isn't about having the perfect life or showing others that you're living the perfect life. It's about feeling secure in yourself, in who you are. Real confidence comes from self trust, and you build that by keeping promises, by doing what you said that you would do, by forgiving yourself and being kind to yourself, and by focusing on your own lane. Ultimately, you don't need a new life to become that girl. You don't need to be someone else to become that girl. You just need to be more true to yourself. You just need to shift the life that you have right now to the path which will lead to a life that is aligned with the highest version of yourself. And you get there with patience, with real effort, gently, with real rest, patience, self respect, and self love. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button or like button. Consider subscribing and absolutely feel free to share this video with a friend who might benefit from watching this video. And remember, you are already her. You're just showing up one small choice at a time. Peace out. Be kind to yourself. And I love you guys.